My whole life's been different.
I had been exhibiting symptoms of bipolar since the age of 6.
My parents always thought that I was very moody.
Rational thinking doesn't come into play.
The two parts of my brain don't line up.
Like, I have an outlier brain.
People can't relate to it. I mean, I lose friends. I burn them out. You know what I mean? They can't keep up with me.
I can't work.
Like a tornado coming through. There's no filters.
Manic a lot of those times. Depressed even more.
I promise things.
I was constantly angry.
I guess like megalomania.
Your mind's just really unplugged.
Uncomfortable. Who is me and who is bipolar?
I wasn't present.
You know, eventually I wanted to die. I had just become someone unrecognizable to myself or to my family, and I couldn't get it under control.
We are enthusiastic because we feel and we're convinced that we're on a winning streak. We're on a winning streak from every dimension. We're understanding the physiology of the disorder, we're understanding the biology of the disorder.
What we're really trying to do is simulate in a tissue culture dish what a person might be feeling or how they might be reacting in a particular social situation.
When neurons fire, their signals are much stronger for bipolar individuals than healthy controls.
And you can see that reactivity in the lab. So when the cells fire, they fire with a greater intensity from individuals with bipolar disorder.
And you'll see that as a flash of light. They're more active, they're more reactive to chemicals than the cells that come from control individuals.
Reactions that might seem like overreactions, they can't help because their neurons are firing so strongly.
What sets this program apart, what makes it one of the great guiding lights, is the sheer energy that drives it. This translates to a program with more ideas, insights, and nuance in a field that depends on exactly those things.
The University of Michigan, in my mind, is the broadest, deepest bipolar research program in the country, and I can see the fire in their eyes. I can see their excitement.
The Depression Center understands the complexity of bipolar disorder, the complexity of depression.
The Prechter program has become synonymous with bipolar research.
What happens in the cells of someone with bipolar? How does bipolar reveal itself? Can we attack genetic mutations? What is the role of stress, aging, genetics? What can we learn from microbiome? What is the efficacy of diet and exercise? Can we use new technology to stay a step ahead of destructive episodes?
I think what's going to shake out in the long term is we're going to find different categories of bipolar. And as we categorize the various kinds of bipolar disorder, we'll more rapidly be able to predict what medicines the individuals might respond to.
And that is what's going to take us forward.
That is a tremendous change.
New knowledge and a new understanding and new ways to intervene, new ways to predict outcomes, and new ways to help individuals fulfill their lives.
These researchers, they all really care. They can get to the bottom of this, make things better for millions of people around the world.